Hey guys, it's a sunset right now and we are keeping our rice and I'm helping with my nephew. Zero pa man?
Ha?
Zero pa.
Ay, pabuang mo. Napindot. Dalisa.
Napindot man.
Kita ka.
Hmm?